or profit? Self-expression, the process of manifesting one's feelings or thoughts through a creative medium, has been associated with better all-round mental and physical health. One of the major issues we have as humans is our inability to fully comprehend our emotions. Putting them into words might seem close to impossible. This may result in frustration and anxiety, which, in effect, have a negative impact on our well-being. Self-expression provides a means of exploring our feelings abstractly when a conversation simply won't do, and so it is regarded as a kind of therapeutic process in a number of cases. What we need to remember, though, is that the medium is not as important as the actual act of self-expression. The goal is not necessarily to create a masterpiece, but rather to leave a room feeling better about yourself than when you entered it. Use your instinct to find a creative outlet that works for you. After all, self-expression is not about pleasing others. Its main aim is to reduce stress and create a sense of inner peace for yourself. A number of people opt to express themselves through art, music, dance, or writing, and they are constantly finding new and interesting ways to reflect their personalities. But that is not all. Many forms of self-expression can even be pursued as careers. If you love gardening, photography, jewellery making, wood carving, or painting, there is nothing to stop you from turning your passion into a money-making business. Certainly, it won't be easy at first, but with careful planning, some market research, and a business plan, there is no reason why you can't earn some revenue from your favourite means of self-expression. If you treat it like a normal job, advertise it through networking or the old-fashioned word of mouth, be prepared for success. You will still get the joy and satisfaction from the activity and make a living at the same time. As someone said, it's a beautiful thing when a career and a passion come together.